Dear students, today is the continuation of the last session of the second chapter, Accounting for Partnership Firm. I am continuing this same class because one small topic was left in this chapter. That topic is methods of maintaining partners accounts. Methods of maintaining partners accounts. Okay. There are two methods of maintaining partners accounts. One is fixed capital method, another is fluctuating capital method. Let's go to the first method, fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, two partners accounts were maintained. One is partners capital accounts, another is partners current accounts. Okay, under fixed capital method, two partners accounts were maintained. One is partners capital accounts, another is partners current accounts. Capital balance is recorded in partners capital balance is recorded in partners capital accounts. All other entries, other adjustments such as interest on capital, partner's salary, profit and loss appropriation account, balance, drawings, interest on drawings, all other adjustments were recorded in partners current accounts. Partners capital balance is recorded in partners capital accounts. One more account we have, partners capital accounts. In that account, partners capital account balance is recorded. All other adjustments were recorded in partners current accounts. Because of this type of recording, because of recording in two accounts, capital balance in capital account, other adjustment in current account, the capital balance may remain fixed year after year. That is why this method is called as fixed capital method. Okay, I will record entries. In fixed capital method, you should not record capital balance. Why? Capital balance of partner is recorded in partner's capital account. One more account you have, that is partner's capital account. In that account you have to record partner's capital balance. Other entries like interest on capital, credit side, it is credited to account. Interest on capital, suppose 1,500. Approximately, just imaginary figures. You have to take imaginary figures. Interest on capital. Salary. Suppose A will get a salary of 1,000. Commission. Suppose B will get a commission of 500 rupees. Appropriation account balance. Profit and loss appropriation account. Credit balance. Profit. Suppose A 2000, B 2000. 4 entries on the credit side. You will get a practical question. Prepare two partners current accounts with imaginary figures under fixed capital method. Two partners current accounts with imaginary figures under fixed capital method. That is, you have to prepare like this. You have to write interest capital on the credit side, salary on the credit side, commission on the credit side, appropriation account on the credit side, and you have to take your own figures. Any amount you can take. Okay. On the debit side, you have to record drawings. Suppose drawings is 1,000 each. And interest on drawings. These two entries were debited from the account. We'll take 500. Now you have to make it total. This side is 4,000. This side is 3,000. For B, 3,000. Write the same total. 4,000, 3,000. Now two balance carried down. 4,000 minus 1,500. 2,500. 3,000 minus 1,500. 1,500. You will get 5 marks for this practical question. Okay. I am doing this topic because of the practical question. You will get a practical question prepare two partners current accounts with imaginary figures under fixed capital method. You have to prepare two partners current accounts. These are the imaginary figures. Imaginary interest on capital, salary, commission, appropriation, drawings, interest on drawing. And these are the imaginary amount you have to write, and you have to balance the account. That is, you have to make total and you have to write the balance carried on. For this complete doing this, you will get a 5. You will get 5 marks. Okay. This is fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, what you have to do? Capital balance is recorded in partners' capital accounts. All other adjustments were recorded in partners' current accounts. Because of this, the capital balance remains fixed year after year. This is the meaning. Okay, you will get meaning also for 2 marks. What do you mean by fixed capital method? What you have to write? Capital balance under this method. Capital balance of partners is recorded in partners' capital accounts, and all other adjustments such as interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission were recorded in partners' current accounts. Because of this type of recording, the capital balance remains fixed year after year. Okay. One more method, fluctuating capital method. Under this method, capital balance of partners and all other adjustments, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, appropriation account balance, all other adjustments were also recorded in partners' capital account. Capital balance and all other adjustments were recorded in partners' capital accounts. Because of this type of recording, the capital balance changes from year to year. This is called fluctuating capital method. So you will get this question also in practical section. Prepare two partners' capital accounts with imaginary figures under fluctuating capital method. Here, prepare two partners' current accounts with imaginary figures under fixed capital method. Here, prepare two partners' capital accounts with imaginary figures under fluctuating capital method. So here you have to record capital balance and all other adjustments in one account. That is Y balance brought down. This is capital balance. You have not recorded balance brought down here, because capital you will not record in partner's current account. Capital you will record in another account, partner's capital account. Under fixed capital method, two accounts you have to maintain. Two accounts. Partner's capital account, partner current account. I have not done the partner's capital account here. Under fixed capital method, you have to prepare two accounts, partner's capital account, partner's current account. Capital balance is recorded in partner's capital account. All other adjustments are recorded in partner's current accounts. Under fluctuating capital method, both capital balance and partner's other adjustments were recorded in one account. First, I will record capital balance. By balance brought down, suppose 10,000 is the capital balance of X, 5,000 is the capital balance of Y. Other entries. Interest on capital. We'll take same one, 1,500. Salary. For him, it is 1,000. For Y, nil. Commission. 500. Profit and loss appropriation account, 2,000. See, one extra entry is there on the credit side. Here 4 entries were there: interest on capital, salary, commission, appropriation. You have recorded only adjustments, but here in this account you have recorded capital and also all the adjustments. Capital and all the adjustments. 2 drawings. $1,000. 2 interest on drawings. 500. Now we will make a balance. 10, 14,000. 8,000. 14,000. 8,000. 2 balance carried down. 14 minus 12,500. 6,500. You got the answer. Okay, what is the difference between these two methods? Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, partners capital accounts, partners current accounts. Under fluctuating capital method, you have to prepare only one account, that is partners capital accounts. One difference. Second difference, under fixed capital method, capital balance is recorded in partners capital accounts. All other adjustments were recorded in partners current accounts. Under fluctuating capital method, capital balance and all the adjustments were recorded in one account only, that is partners capital accounts. Third difference, under fixed capital method, the capital balance of partners remains fixed year after year, no change. Under fluctuating capital method, the capital balance of partners may change from year to year. See the balance brought down 10,000, 5,000. See the balance carried down 12,500 and 6,500. See the capital balance, the capital of the partner fluctuate. Opening capital is different and closing capital is different because of recording the other adjustments in the same account. Okay, so in fixed capital method, capital balance of partners remains fixed, no change year after year. Under fluctuating capital method, the capital balance of partners may change from year to year. Okay. This is the last topic, continuation of the 8th session of the second chapter, accounting for partnership from basic concepts. So next class we will continue the third chapter, that is admission of a new partner. Thank you for this.